I received a lot of comments and requests for a video on what is the right way to journal. How do you journal in the manner that can help you not only feel better, but also manifest your desired goals and dreams. So, here's a video on journaling, especially for you, for all those of you who want to use this very powerful tool to change your life. One of the first things that I want you to keep in mind when it comes to journaling is this. You see, it's an everyday process and step. Journaling will only work when you do it consistently. So, if you want to start journaling, please ensure that you're going to give some time to it on a daily basis. On an average, if you can give yourself 15 to 20 minutes to journaling, apart from some other tools that you're doing, it can really start helping you organize your mind better. Why is organization of our mind and thought so important? Because the way you organize your mind will affect the way you manage your energy. And the way you manage your energy is affecting the quality of your life, because ultimately everything is coming to you from your vibration and your energy. So firstly, keep a fixed time for journaling on a daily basis, because when you keep a fixed time, your brain becomes alert towards this practice. You will start getting the right ideas. You will start receiving guidance exactly at that time that you have allocated to journaling on a daily basis. So, fix a time, keep a pen and a diary handy with you at that time, and make sure one of the first things you do to start practicing journaling is to reflect on what you have been thinking most of the times in the day. You see, from my own experience, this particular method of starting to journal was the most effective. Because when you start reflecting on what you've been thinking and feeling, you realize that you don't want to accept some of those thoughts and feelings. Maybe in the day, you just kind of suppress those thoughts and feelings because you don't want to get there. You want to move on to probably something which you feel is most important. But this is the problem. If you try to ignore thoughts or you don't give attention to some feelings, they only get stronger and bigger. With time, they lead to energy blockages. And somewhere, you will have to deal with it in a big way in your physical reality because you have not paid attention to some thoughts and feelings. So, if you haven't done this before, make it a daily habit. Sit with yourself, ask yourself, how am I feeling? What have I been thinking most of the times in the day? Whatever answers come, write them down. There is no right or wrong answer here. Do not worry about writing down negative thoughts. Just mention that I have not been feeling good about my job, or I'm worried about my health. Mention it. And once you put them down, now immediately put a strike or a cancel around these thoughts and feelings. As you cancel these statements, write down statements which are opposite to these very negative ones that you have written. Of course, if you have written a positive answer, you don't need to cancel it. For example, maybe you were feeling happy and excited today and you have written that down. Very well. You should write down even positive thoughts you get, because that encourages you to focus more on positivity. However, for most of us, chances are the answers we have got are negative in nature. Maybe we have been worried, maybe we are anxious, maybe we are stressed. After you write them down, strike them off and convert each negative statement to a positive one. See, don't worry about writing down negative thoughts, because we are always converting the negative to a positive, and this sends a very powerful message to your subconscious mind that we don't want to stop at the negative. That's not what I want. What I want is my negativity to be converted into something more desirable, like a positive idea, a positive goal, a positive thought. As you practice doing this in your journaling, every day, you see, your subconscious mind gets a very powerful signal and message that you don't want to stay with the negativity. You want to experience these positive things, whether it is more money and abundance, it is ease of cash flow, it is worthiness in your job, it is fulfillment and understanding and affection in your relationships. Make sure you do this with patience. If you do this every day, you will notice some really good changes, quick changes actually, in your day-to-day life, including the quality of your relationships and interactions with people. Because you see, we are constantly interacting with people. How you feel about anything in your life, whether it is another person, whether it's your job, your career, or your body, ultimately affects, your interaction with another person. So if you notice the day you're not feeling good, you will take that anger out on a family member. You will remove your stress out by probably talking negatively or replying or snapping to your loved ones. We don't want that to happen, because that affects our relationship. It affects the energy in our home. So, to avoid that, if you journal every day, you have put your negative thoughts down on paper. They will stop bothering you. And in fact, you are helping reprogram your subconscious mind for something positive. Another way I recommend you can journal, especially towards the end of the day, it is writing down a few things that you're grateful for. Gratitude is one of the most powerful forces that can help you shift your focus from lack to abundance. It's very easy to get caught up in everyday stress, everyday pressures. It's easy to focus on what you don't have. And people will make you feel like that. If you are lacking something, wherever you go, you will feel people are reminding you of what you lack. Please remind yourself. It's just a matter of time. If you shift your focus, then automatically you see you will start drawing those very things into your life. You won't have to run after them, whether it is money, whether it's a happy relationship, whatever you want, it will come towards you. You don't have to run after it. And gratitude, my dear friends, is one of the best ways to shift your focus. It's one of the best ways to help your mind think of all the blessings and gifts you have already. If you do that, you let the universe know that you desire more blessings. Because see, whatever you're feeling, the universe takes it like that's your command. You want more of. So if you're sad today, you're sending a message to the universe, I want sadness. Please keep this in mind, and you will never ever allow yourself to stay negative. So, how do you practice gratitude? How do you journal with gratitude? Before you sleep at night, take your diary, think of the best thing that happened to you in the day. If you start doing this, you will never let a single day go by as an ordinary day. You will make every ordinary day extraordinary because you put in the energy of gratitude, abundance into that particular day. And when you sleep with this thought that something good happened to you, you will wake up with the thought expecting good things happening to you. You will be excited and more enthusiastic in the coming day. So, if something exciting or particularly good did not happen in the day, just place your hands on your chest, on your heart. Notice that you're alive. Write that down. There are so many people who have lost a family member that particular day. How many people who never woke up to a new day? If you are alive, universe has hope that you will do something good for yourself and others. So be grateful for your body because the way your body is running, the way it's functioning is a miracle. It's nothing short of a miracle. You don't understand how it works, but it's working for you. So be grateful for your body. Be grateful for your family members. See, this is one of the best approaches to gratitude. In fact, I always believe if you can write down reasons why you are grateful and happy, then that reason becomes so strong that it just allows you to continue to be in that gratitude energy. Always write down why you are grateful for something that happened in the day. I'm grateful for the help I received at work because it helped me resolve my problem so quickly and I could be home on time. Like that, if you put the reasons in your gratitude journal, automatically these reasons give you a higher vibration. They help you, lift you mentally, physically, spiritually, and most importantly, energetically. So these two ways really are the most powerful ways to practice journaling. There are, of course, several other things that you can do. I especially recommend you to sit down and journal in this specific manner if you are currently dealing with a pattern you want to break. If you feel there is a negative pattern in your life, maybe a condition that you want to reverse, and it's coming from a negative feeling that you've been holding on for yourself or for life for very long, then practice this method of journaling. Write down all the thoughts you have felt about yourself, even the times that others have made you feel in that way. Put them down in your journal. Maybe you can do this practice once a week and make it a weekly practice. But whatever negativity you encountered through thoughts and feelings from other people, put them down in your journal. And then analyze if this is really true or not. Is this really true? Somebody said, I'm stupid. Is this really true? Well, maybe that person who called me stupid may not be the perfect person I want guidance from. So then why should I feel bad? Or sometimes you will get real insights about problems within you. Maybe you think of the fact that somebody is calling you an angry person. Maybe there is some truth in it. Maybe you are angry. Maybe you are losing your cool most of the times. So you see, when you sit down and journal in this manner, you get a lot of insights about your own strengths, about your own weaknesses. And then you can make an action plan to work on the weakness. Maybe you can start meditating 10 to 15 minutes every day for your anger. Maybe you tell yourself, okay, I'm going to pause, reflect, and slowly respond when I'm angry. I'm not going to react when I'm angry. Maybe you've been sleeping very late. You need to cut down on your social media time, on your mobile time. Maybe that's an action step you need to take. So you see, like that, you get a lot of insights about what you need to do to improve your life. So, journaling in this manner is going to be very helpful if you are really seriously thinking of improving your life and taking it to the next level. And like I said, if you can make this even a weekly practice, it can be very helpful for you to see changes in the coming months, because every time you sit with yourself, reflect on the negatives and the positives you experienced, you make an action plan for yourself and you push yourself for that plan. Maybe you can put up your to-do list in your bedroom or on your office desk and look at all the things you need to do, all the action steps you need to take. That really makes your journaling very, very effective. So that is something I recommend you start doing. I hope this video has given you clarity on what are the most powerful, effective ways to start journaling. And I'm sure, like I have told you in the beginning, you will give time to journaling because it's a beautiful practice. It helps you connect with your goals. It will also help you understand what you need to do to get to your goals. It's not just about thinking of what you want, it's about how to get there. Negative thoughts, feelings, associations, mental blockages often come in the way of your goals. So, if you can use journaling as a tool to release negative energy, to cleanse your energy, then it can be very, very powerful. I'm going to soon come up with a video on how to journal for goal setting and manifestation. Just as journal is one of the powerful tools to manifest your desired reality and goals, there are many other powerful ways to work with your subconscious mind with ease, with joy, to start feeling connected emotionally to your goals, to feel worthy of a good life that you desire. I'm going to be talking about these tools and helping you understand how to apply them in the most powerful ways in your life on the 18th of Jan in my manifestation workshop scheduled in Mumbai. I look forward to seeing you there. All the details about this workshop are mentioned in the description below this video. Until next time, all the very best. Namaste.